and welcome to my channel. Today is another edition of empties. I do not have many, so let's get started. First of all, finally I almost finished. I think today I'm going to use it for the last time. This Sephora HA BHA Smoothing Cleanser Exfoliate Plus Glow Face and Neck. Very nice, but I'm not going to repurchase it, mainly because I have a oily combination skin, and I need something more not harsh but more effective, and I'm going to try Nivea product. Finished the Ordinary Matrix Seal 10%. I don't think that they are still doing this. I'm not sure. I can't keep with the latest changes with the Ordinary line, and especially with the price changes. But it was a nice product. When I put it, I have a little wrinkle here between my eyebrows, and when I put it, I noticed like it's like temporary effect, but when I put it, I noticed I lose it. The next product is Garnier Vitamin C Serum. I like it. I purchased my third bottle of it in a row. The best vitamin C serum for me for a day, because again I have mature skin. I'm 41 years old, but also I have oily combination skin, so I need something not greasy and very effective. And I found this very effective. I like this line of Garnier, and I'm currently using SPF from the same line, and I like it also. Speaking about SPF, I just finished La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 plus SPF. Honestly, it's my third bottle of this. I think I've been using it for a long time because it's not greasy, it's nice, but I think it's not very effective because I'm still getting my freckles when I've been using it. With the Garnier one, I do not getting more freckles, so I think it's more effective than La Roche-Posay. Finish up foot cream, Cafe Mimi, nice one. Especially I like the scent of this. Very fresh. It was papaya. Very nice. Finished eye cream, Natura Siberica Biomer per eye. Highly recommend. It's not so easy to see the packaging, but it's very good. And I have a second tube of this in a row, and I'm going to start it again. It's very effective. I have oily combination skin on my face, but around my eyes I have very dry and prone to wrinkle skin, because again I'm not so young, so this eye cream was a saver for me. Mask, Honey Mood True Pore Tightening Mask from True Island. Nice one, but again not so much effective in my opinion. Not finished, but I'm going to stop to use Cafe Mimi Spray Primer Volume Up and Shine with BioSilk proteins. I noticed that I have very thin hair, and I noticed proteins usually make them break, so my hair ends became crunchy and not so nice, and they break easily, so I'm not going to use this anymore. I finished hand cream from Kiehl's Ultimate Trends Hand Self. My favorite for, I don't know, 5 years, 10 years in a row. I can't live without it. Now I'm using another one, but as soon as I finish, I'm going to repurchase this one again. Sample size of serum from Yves Rocher Elixir Botanique Fortifying Anti-Pollution Daily Serum. I haven't noticed any results, so I'm not going to purchase it. Essence Hydra Gel Eye Patches Ice Baby. I didn't find them effective at all, so I'm not going to repurchase them. I purchased instead of them, I purchased Petit Free Agave Cooling, and this one is good. This is good. but from Essence, no, do not recommend them. And finally finish my supplement Iron from Now Foods. Good supplement. I'm going to repurchase it on time. So that's it. That's all about my empties this month, this period of time. So I hope it was interesting, and see you in my next video. Bye.